Hi, this is Eggy the guy from London. Hope you're having a good time. Our vlog is about Harvester, which serves ribs, chicken, shrimp, and they have a nice salad bar, like Wendy's. We're very full and the food is nice. Our bill is only 25 pounds or 1,700 pesos. So enjoy the vlog. See you! Hi, this is Eggy the guy from London. We're in Harvester. Just having lunch and here's the salad bar. Hope you're having a good time. See you later. Hi, this is Kita guy. Here's our order: chicken breast, steak, shrimp, coleslaw, and chips. And that is ribs and chicken. Nice. Chicken breast. Nice. Yummy.
No, 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 no.
We came to the end of our vlog and thank you for watching. We're very full and satisfied. This is from Harvester George Inn. See you!